gasumi omwanchu muligereria bwegetaseni kya Ndizi TV naende chingi yangu kwaregania semesa ya mangana maya Chinsa Isano na Ibere egerto kumanyina araria yagendete gukoreka kurwase orogongo rwa Gusii na Kenya engima ekarotoro chobochorio bokebwa koregete litukuligoro ase chinsemo ao gatiabo ebunge ya Kandara ebunge ya Garissa Township na boigelgeo Marakwet ne ward ya Shila ase county ya Lamu ekerobono ababui bagendrete kurariwa guika abono chingakie chiga boigo muraibwense Dr. William Ruto niga igo irebene geikaro kya bawaziri na bakabariki baba waziri na boigo abaraia banene kurwase serikali ya Kenya kwanza ensemo ya Nanyuki county ya Laikipia asaburio kubwaterana ne wizareli yobwerani bwa mangana gose ICT na boigo tebire babwaterane na baraia bachole bonsi pia sense ya Kenya kwane kya mnango sukia balense ya Kenya bosio kiuchumi na boigo ama genderero ande lituko ligoro igo egikare kyongia chagete bene asensemeyo ya Laikipia asensemo ya Nanyuki abwase omo prime cabinet minister Musalia Mudavadi aigorete egikare kyo kegocha koira amatuko ane alibosio kolenda se rituko lya lero muraibwense oigoire boigo bene omusangirekano yubo bawaziri koliya machibu igoro yobokora libwa serikali ya Kenya kwanza na kigoche goikirani onsi aseka miaka 5 ere bosio ayo ngati ya litogandete kwariganeria naboko yanyora ase Chinsa chiga na yande oicheko yanyora ase Chinsa chamangana maya ale bosio asabali moto bwate wetera senchera ye mitandao tonyore Ndizi TV News digital wetera sensemo ya Facebook nabo igo Ndizi TV News asensemo ya YouTube na ndena bogo tweet @Ndizi TV News kwera nanda segeke kekerebosio egeren kumanye ayo mona yanda mange asenchera yo bwenge. Ncheni gonkoro kwa Sara Nyarangi Ontita noleto kubwaterana komo wika sensemo yebimanyererio nigakoro kwa Joshua Auta toya chake kurwase county ya Garissa ase bunge ya Garissa Township chinga kibono Deko Baro Mohamed pwekia makia UDA nigo araligwe koba omubui asobochorio bokebwa koregeteri tukuligoro asokwenyorera chikura chietaneti chiribu 11 na kobabwa abande abo bale koligia ekerogekyo oyo imemono nkorwase kiama kia UDM aseleta Nasir Dolal oyobete oyo kabere mega yokonyora chikura chiribu Isano na Isato asebono nigo Deko Baro abeiro mobunge omochore korwase bunge yo ya Garissa Township.
Therefore, announce Barrow Deko Mohammed, who gathered 11,572 as the winner for this by-election of Garissa Township constituency. The voter turnout was 53.253. The total number of registered voters was 53,253. Total number of voters who turned out to vote was 21,218. Percentage of voter turnout, 39.84%.
Tinga kiecho wano mwanchu muligereria bacholi bonga bno bombo ikiraneti gwe Sensemo ya Elgeyo Marakwet chinga kibono William Kisang korwa sekiama kia UDA nere oraliwe koba omobui ekerabwate chikura chiribu emeronge nene yemo chimia Isano meronge tano nebere na isato ige kiama kia UDA korwa sensemo ya Elgeyo Marakwet na bubenyoreire omobui boigo korwa sensemo ya Kandara Chege Njuguna nere boigo obeiro omobui korwa se bunge yo ya Kandara ekerobono anyara koba gakobwa nechukura chinyinge kigima korwa ase ensemeyo mancho muligereria ayo na machivu korwa bacholi bwakoregeteri tukuligoro ase chinsemo au ase nse ya Kenya ntochokumanya mange asa mangana itamajia ye Chinsa chikobwatia korwa bo mancho muligereria ninkwero ikase nsemo ya Eldoret abwase abarai na babwatani korwa se dini ya Islamu bono baire okoboko esaba yababunge gose sabari yabawaziri abo bara sensemo ya Nanyuki county ya Laikipia asabate bire ekyone kyorokererie kiya asomuraibwense Dr. William Ruto gwikaransa n'abawaziri bae ilikoligia chinchera chingia cyogo cyakoleta magenderero no bokoreri bya asaba na inchi bense ya Kenya chinga kibono baboliri aba Kenya ko babatoereru na ko babalemereria asengenche serikali ya Kenya kwanza neganire ewe chingaki mnenchere mayogo cha gwikirania onsi alibaliete chira chingaki bale kolia gose bale koligia chikura asobo cholibu mwaka oeta tika totegerere aliabarai korwa sensemo ye dini ya Islamu bakwanete ase omochie Eldoret.
Tume huwezi kuamka leo ukasema leo tutafufua uchumi bali pasi na kuweka mikakati kamili msingi ulo imara wa kutatua tatizo hili. Kwa hivyo mawazo yake ya kwenda Nanyuki kujifungia katika hoteli kule Nanyuki mpaka moshi mweupe utoke. Moshi mweupe ni suluhu kwa wataalamu, mawaziri, makatibu wake namna gani tutafufua uchumi huu. Sasa ni kumtia moyo tu aweke msingi uliokuwa mzuri wa namna gani kufufua uchumi.
I would like His Excellency the President William Samoei Ruto to think about the people who have offshore accounts. If that money which is in the foreign accounts can come back, it's high time the Kenyans, the way we are suffering. So it's high time if he does something about this, for this money to come back to this country.
Yeye ametenga pesa kiasi fulani kusaidia wafanyabiashara ama wenye taanza biashara mpya ama wenye taendelea na biashara wote, wazee na vijana, wazee na vijana wote ambao ni wafanyabiashara.
Mwanchu muligereria kiombe kia banyagitari Chinas Kenya Medical Practitioners and Dentist Union KMPDU ngegetio moelio omogomo oyure ngego korwali tukulia lero chitariki Isano nemo omutienyo yomutangani kubwatekana ne serikali weterasa wizara y'obachenu kogenda mamincha yo koigwana kwa gosoko koigwana kwa collective bargaining agreement iyo yaigwana netwe omwaka 2017 wiko mwaka wechiri Ibere na merongo Ibere neyemo bakoragwa no mulikyo monene bwekiombe kyo Atela Bimji Atela nigobono abuletie serikali enyariko bakewe ikirania alionsi banyariko babako iwana gati yabo abanyagitari banyariko babagwa kanwa kera chitariki Isano chakero mutienyi binencheremo yokubakinia na kwegendereria ase chiamate chiabo.
He also undertook to ensure that the doctors that have been frustrated in having their fees for postgraduate paid after being released from the counties are paid within the month, so that there is resumption for the postgraduate training, because all these counties highly in demand of the specialties and of the specialists. And therefore in this meeting we were having an agreement that the Council of Governors need to have a meeting within themselves and ensure that no county goes beyond the 5th of every month before paying their workers. We have made a decision to give dialogue a third chance as a goodwill for Kenyans and as a goodwill for the government that has offered an engagement on this matter. Already alluded, We extend another olive branch to the government and to the Kenyans to go into this engagement with goodwill, to ensure that the commitments that you were given yesterday in the discussion that we had with the Ministry of Health, with the COG, and with all their teams, that the collective bargaining agreement of 2017-2021 will be implemented in total, including the basic salary within the 60 days. And that which give us the date of 5th of March 2023.
Mwanju murigereria ayongati yaria togendeto kwariganiria uchikoya nyora na inda senchira yobwingi chikoraga Chinsa 10 kurenda senchira yobwikiranu ensa muni Chinsa 3 chubutuko bwarero lituko lya Ijuma korwa segeta seni kya unambemo na kyo Ndizi TV obwansu bwo Gusii nyora bayigo muraiwe kya makia ODM Raila Molo Odinga no arase county ya Mombasa asecha BC chomo governor bwe county yo Abdul Somad Nasir asenge nchoyogo cha kumirana nabarai korwase kya makia ODM eliyogo kwaneranga na kyobokora liwe kya mekyobo kogendera koba ase county yo ya Mombasa ayo mananda mange no chikoya nyora samangana maya ye Chinsa chikobwatya chingakinaika kogotebya buno muraibwense Dr. Ruto wono nigo achakire nago keigora bene egeikaro kya bawaziri abaliki baba waziri nabarai abange korwase serikali ya Kenya Kwanza asensemo ya agosase county ya Laikipia asaba kwanira emirobeli menge na ende naralia ya baguchi gokora elekwana kyabona bokorali nko baburubya aseka kimyaka 5 erebosio kurwaso bokorali bwa Kenya Kwanza tobese gosuka nero Ndizi TV obwansu bwo Gusii bali mwansi mwatobwatire wetera senchira ye mitandao to wakangambia mono kigima yabo Maturi Vincent Teresa Kemto Kemi Sophie Motangi mwensi na abarurenga mogende tukubwati umurubulyo wetera asenchira ye mitandao ulio tubatara na komo korwa sensemo yebimanyerelyo nigakorwa Joshua Auta ulio nekia kwa yenyo ronsi wetera asenchira ye mitandao na boyigo chibicha na malioge nigakorwa Abigail Nyanchama na inche nigonkorwa Sara Nyarangi Ontita.
Ndizi TV obwansu bwo Gusii omurigeria nigogane tikogure binto byogotumeka bwo usikohonia na tumanyitia suragure asobonge bono Ouru Superstores nigo bakohonia kirigento kiriyuganitie aseriguriria kebosani
aba Gusii mwensi ese mwabeta mwariganirwe aiga Ouru Superstores kontore chindagera emuskari omochere amafuta chingeni
echumbi chichus ebisuguti amabere na maji yukonywa boigo nkoni abali chisabuni chimete na chiria chejibauda ebibiriti tissue paper emeito ebitabu ebirugo by'iki plastic n'ekitangi cy'okubikira maji igati y'ebintu binde binge asebali bakwagacha timokumia ekiagera nigo bakonia iron rods chozi amabati emesumari chisimiti chirangi cy'ubwaka kinyomba chiwaya mesh chiwilbaro chisenyenge n'ibindi binge inyoranga nigo bago kubugoria umusigo wikabwo ekero kwagorire nabuyo nabokubeke oda yawo kurwandonsi enseweta
mana bange nesimi bawaka ngo bakonya tore sana singenje kera akiri simi amete no akiruru na bwatobo maene bwaena ngo konywa rebintu nigo ngo mukichiode chisyabo na basi chikesha bita babarikira nande na make sure eoderi naenana customer manya nori gete odo koririki obye nabongo bwakera back na matebi na nyora yoda yao na nyerikire nande na make sure nango nyenyorore ngote matore sana toko batebi ne service yo konyore bindo ni 24 hours ibindo byabo bakoririki babinyorire Ouru Superstore ngutariere binta satambe mono sauti Nyanza auna butobwati chi customer wita bange mono chigari chitonganda chire Migori Isabania Kianja kocha bare bande side ya Rift Kilgoris Lologoria kwenda bare Sotiki Bomet nyongeri chokchioda bocha tore twanyora
I am in the customer care management and I appreciate you all customers. We'll give you the best quality services from delivery, from when you walk in, and we thank you customers for you have been a great people in this company. We appreciate for your monies and we appreciate all that you have been with us the entire year. Karibu nyumbani.
Banyore asamagacho a JM Towers angina Credit Bank na boigo Uhuru Complex Building angina Safaricom House imeyumu chukisi na bogwa Kisii asichina mbichi. Uhuru Superstores Limited, the people's choice. Ndizi TV, ubwansu bw'omu Gusii.